And them say follow for him monkey never drink good soup.
What?
You
Monkey
never
can't
hear
drink soup.
I mean, I know about that. Me hear from your little youth when I was born, of course.
What I want to go?
You never hear say follow for monkey never drink good soup.
Monkey can't drink soup.
And you never, no, I go. Anyway, good evening, people. Big. No, you want jump on the soup again?
No, I never that. Hold on, just forward to my mind.
Yeah.
All right, back with each of the show
Good
first.
evening to everybody that's
like
into the Upper Live show. This
sorry.
is another episode of the Upper Live show. We're here each and every Tuesday on TGM Radio, and it's a pleasure having the viewers on Facebook, Instagram, if you're on Twitch, and if you're not on Twitch, remember you can follow us on Twitch at Upper Live Show.
As well as TGM Radio
yes.
UK.
And we're streaming worldwide. So yes, that formality is out of the way. Rasta Wagwan, jump in it.
So, the higher the monkey climbs, how do you end that? What is it, a proverb? Don't answer. Me know why you answer.
The more you expose.
Well, brother.
Yeah.
See, because my parents have never used to use proverbs for me little.
So, why monkey don't that week, yeah? Leave a monkey alone, man.
Monkey.
Hey, wait.
Rasta is obsessed with the monkey. What am the monkey?
So when I was in high school, I don't know what my teacher was trying to do, right?
Yeah.
And she's like, the higher the monkey climbs, hear me ball out, the more banana him gets.
A long time, yeah, idiot, you know?
Apologies, people. For
I say no banana monkey, idiot.
Anyway, can't even continue.
I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Mom and Dad, I love you, but you never teach me the proverbs. Or the proverbs I want me to look at. Yeah, shout out. Ooh, that was the. Monkeys are out of the way.
I swear.
Shout out to everybody that is tuned in on our
Speaking up, shout out people.
Yes, on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Yeah. Thank you for joining us this evening. We have a good show planned for you tonight. Yes. You know, our special guest isn't in studio, but she will be here one way or the next, even if we have to teleport her from wherever she is.
Of course.
Miss Bandy will be live with us later on in the show.
Yes.
Please remember that we're sponsored by Shush Prints for all of your printing needs. Pen, see that shirt? We can zoom in on AllStar shirt.
See there. Yeah.
That's a product of the Shush Print brand. Yes.
Of course.
You have on your Shush Print shirt? You
no, me not have.
Don't worry. You see, that's something I know. Shush Print can do it. We can. What them call it? Personalize.
Bring it down.
See them people, Yeah. We need to give me a link, see?
Yeah, and Dragon Stout, or what the next one name? Spitfire?
Them need to give me a link.
Them need to give Dragon a link because him need some ambassadorship on that side.
Them need to give me a little link, you know?
A link.
Talk some business and things,
while
you know what I mean?
How was your weekend? Make we start with the week.
The weekend for me was very well. I liked it because my weekend was soccer field.
Hey,
I know.
Yes, we see you in nice.
Yeah.
You never wine Bacano.
So you go Bacchanal?
Bacano.
Now there's a girl, so it make you
every now let me know a man.
No, big up Nalika from Charlie
That's her name, Nalika.
That's her name.
Call it up. Every now let me know a man.
And Nal we call her from
Bad man, me not go Bacchanal Nal, so you can go on.
Right, so we want to give a big shout out to the persons who did all the charity events for St. Vincent family members over the weekend. They raised monies, they collected donations, and it was a very, very good live on Friday, especially the one that Super Nitro and Tate and the rest of the organizers did on Friday evening. It was exceptional. Was it Friday that Super Nitro girl on the drum set?
That was Saturday.
Was Saturday night. You see that brother they know Nitro wherever in the universe you are at this moment. Big up thyself.
Nitro
you see that brother?
Drum?
Yeah, I'm big up Nitro. Nitro is officially booked for my local party. I know I have a local party now, and Nitro.
Nitro is there, right?
Yeah. Nitro is there.
Nitro will be there.
Playing the drums. Yeah.
Right. So you see when talent is noticed, well, him say him never they're on the drum set for about 10 or 15 years, 20 years maybe. Remember so Nitro at 57, you know. So you know.
You
understand? So yeah, big up yourself, bro. When you have talent, you're just naturally talented. What is your problem?
Make sure after some my current thing.
Wait, we're not done yet. Well, we're not jumping at that. So that was a weekend.
Yeah, point me like you want fight. So.
No, me just want
your face in
all the breaks. All the breaks. Over the weekend as well, there was a big announcement. I don't know, say, we want just make sure that everybody who missed it on Sunday, them hear it on the Upper Live show. Shout out to our brother, Dragon AllStar.
Dragon. Spitfire.
Our very own Spitfire Dragon AllStar.
Dragon.
Dragon. Walla no man. Dragon is officially a member of the Crystal Blue Sound, bro. Big up yourself. When DJ bad DJ just bad enough, bro.
And the Blue Youth.
Big up yourself. Yo, if shirt look like company.
Bad mind, I go kill them.
Anyway, people, Dragon is officially a member of the Crystal Blue
Sound,
family.
and we're extremely proud of him.
Of course.
Oh my God.
So, I know what thing of people like the family extend.
It has extended.
Which is
definitely.
All right.
I'm a regular Dragon again, you know.
No, I forget.
Hot Dragon.
Hot Dragon. Hot Daddy.
Hot Dragon. The man named Hot Dragon.
Cool thing now, right?
All right.
Of
Yes.
course.
So we want to make sure that we get the format.
So Rusty, you know, mix up what you want to talk
No,
Rick.
Rick have the mix up.
Rick, are you have a sauce?
It's
Yes.
not no mix up and on. It's just what's happening.
Are you have a puss in a bag?
It's not no. Me have null. Bag.
Alright,
But anyway, let's continue. So in other matters,
Yes.
let's move across to Jamaica.
Yes.
So recently, if everybody know DJ Kentucky,
Yes.
bad selector from Jamaica. Yeah, he's been having a go against the system, the government system for quite so long since the pandemic started. And there's a recent videos that he's done, like live videos, and discussing the reason why he thinks that the government is doing right. He has some valid points.
Exactly.
He's really recently had a live couple days ago. He was on there today as well, and he was stating some fact which is kind of factual. The reason why like the vaccine is necessary.
Necessary or unnecessary?
Unnecessary.
Okay.
And most of these are opinions, so I don't want anyone to take it as factual and so on.
Right.
Some of the videos that he played were like videos of the people, the governing bodies of the World Health Organization.
Okay.
I'm stating facts about the corona vaccine, because you know it's ever changing.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the main thing that was mentioned is that if you don't take the vaccine, if you have the vaccine done, it's not guaranteed that you're protected from the virus, which most of us
we know that already.
Yeah.
But the thing, what is upsetting is just the measures that the government is putting in place in Jamaica is it's like it's not moving according to the information that is processed. So they're still stuck into the first mindset of the corona is bad, so lockdown and lock down everything. And it's suffocating the whole system, the financial system, the music business is dying. The government is not moving quickly to try to change or adjust to the new measures or the new guidelines. So what he's basically cussing is that he's upset that they now do update the thing and then give the people them the right information, which you have a point.
Yeah, but that happens all over the world.
Which Jamaica act like them a first world country, right?
Yeah.
They are following the bigger country lead and trying the same thing in Jamaica, because one journalist is saying like the curfew situation work in Canada and stuff like that.
Yeah, but
You have to understand Jamaica is not
different
Canada.
place.
You have levels of poverty in Jamaica where they don't have that level of poverty in Canada. Which you have a man where when we talk every week we live by day to day. We mean by live day to day. Him wake up this morning, him don't know him what eat, him go out by road go look it.
Hustle.
Lunchtime he don't know him eat cause the lunch not there, but then you know you have to go look it again. Saying so Andrew don't know them life then when you kinda put the strain on the
Poor people.
the poorer class in Jamaica, it is very discouraging to see. Say, oh, you put that strain on them, and the visitors and the returning
Free
resident
reign.
can come to Jamaica and live such a lavish lifestyle and under no curfew or no we call it lockdown measures or anything like that. Because I remember, you know, and no disrespect to World Dog, I'm not standing about it, but World Dog fly down from Miami and then fly down and you man the whole like come them over one place and mix. We're quarantined there. That gone out of place.
Exactly. So
Me sure know so when I got to Jamaica, you have a quarantine for the 14 years, just the same. Whether you have a negative or positive test, you need to quarantine because you're coming from a foreign
country.
land.
Especially with America that still
And
has
everybody, DJ
quite a
Khaled come
high-
down there just the other
high
day and
rate of
the whole of the rapper them and
high cases.
everybody mingle. And we said that before, so yo, it's only poor people who have strength and the hotel properties. It's a different thing.
Well, let's hope say coming for the coming weeks the guidelines change, because him say the curfew now is slightly different from what it was before, and they kind of drop some of the. It's still restricting, but some of the restriction, the time frame has changed a little bit. Hopefully after this month, then I have to do no more.
Because
curfew again.
This whole coronavirus factor into the whole of crime and violence that's happening now on our island. See? Because you have to think about it. As a little youth, we don't have nothing to bring in an income into their household, but me have a matic. So either me I go robbery, or I have got take up scamming, or I have got something with the gun me have, right?
To make some ends, but it's not. It's not like you're encouraging it, but it's just
I'm
the reality.
not encouraging it because it's the reality of the situation. Because there is nowhere to angle that farmer talent or potential, because even the music industry, when them attack it the other day, and the entertainment industry, most of these ghetto youth don't go to college, we don't finish high school, we don't have a high school diploma or a college degree or anything. When them come out from school, them start a little thing and them start them little party and make up a little money, buy one little car, start up a little business. And Andrew, you know them thing you say at this boss most at Jamaicans where you see, because remember, you know, the corporate Jamaica is like 20% of Jamaica. The rest of 80% of Jamaica is poor, because you have to remember, say we still have place in Jamaica now where people don't have running water.
True.
And that is basic necessity.
True.
Well, you get what I say? So, bro God, the people are beat you bad, but them have a good reasons for beat you. And we can't add this and don't talk about PNP too. Because the opposition party will have some workless party too.
It's very weak. Because I can't hear nothing.
We not hear nothing. We don't speak and say a bad government. We not challenge about nothing. It come like we don't just agree with everything when they do.
Or them just
this
them
is the
just
time. When they do something right now, you have to oppose it.
And it reflects you saying that there is a current situation here in the UK where there's a video that went viral of the opposition leader, which is, I can't remember his name, and the liar
Stark
man.
something on there.
White height.
No man, the Labour
man, since there Stark.
I'm not just listening to the man every day. But anyway, basically, he went to one of his constituents.
Keir Starmer.
Keir Starmer. Yeah, something like
Starmer.
some know him name.
So he went to one of his constituents where there was a pub there, and the gentleman who owns the pub, he didn't know that he owned the pub at the time.
Right.
So he came to the facility. I think they were having some form of meeting there.
Yeah.
And basically the guy challenged him outside that he was very disappointed as
with him being the representative.
Yeah, with him being the representative of the Labour Party, and he's not challenging the government enough. And the guy was a bit raunchy, and he was very adamant that he needs to listen to what he says. So Keir Starmer did give him the time of the day, but after listening to the guy, he kind of shoved him off and wasn't really interested in what he said.
Because the guy was speaking the truth.
Yeah. So he tried to go into the pub. Little did he knew that the guy who owned the pub. So the guy said, wait, you can't come in my pub.
Oh, okay.
You have to, and the guy did try to pull him out of the pub.
Yeah.
It's all over Sky, so you can watch the video for the reference as well.
Like, you have to understand, some of these politicians, they are normal people, seeing. So
yeah.
And I them think I feel, but
you
anyway,
have to hold them accountable when
we speak about the current situation in the UK, because we realize the climate in terms of certain things start going back to normal in terms of the restriction. I realize the whole setting by with DJ and artists and everybody. Remember when lockdown was tight and the measure was up, everybody was supporting everybody, and like DJs was pushing artists. What I'm seeing is going back to the regular schedule.
In terms of how? What do you see?
In terms of the DJs are getting selfish, and the artists who are in the higher echelons are being a bit selfish, not supporting the lower one. I don't need to put nothing out, because I don't want to target nobody.
No, okay. That's
but
fine.
Where I see it happen, so the man them were getting hype and shine over the lockdown, and the one that want to know say have the talent and not help them. You have to remember, throughout the lockdown, it was everybody helping everyone.
It was complete unity.
DJ and artists and everybody was linking. And now it go back to regular schedule, where I say the usual suspect them and build them.
Yeah.
We now see none of the the lockdown DJ them breakthrough and some of the party and mix with the seasoned veteran.
Yeah.
Like, and this have something to blame with the promoters, but we also have to blame ourselves as a patron, because if you see that this is not right, we start calling out and start boycott some of these parties and start got some new promoter party. Me not say fin not about it, but some of them promoter here, they need to learn the hard way, because here one know The youth them did put in them work.
Yeah.
And
they
them
proved
did
themselves.
prove
get some
themselves
justice.
over the first bit of lockdown and into the last half as well.
Yeah. Give somebody youth them where cause you
Yeah.
see
Remember, you know, Ricky, first part of lockdown,
yeah.
it was only the young youth them that do the live
Yeah,
them
because-
keep entertained. Otherwise, everybody is locked into Jamaica.
Yeah.
Nothing
That's
was
true.
going on in the UK.
That is
And
true.
anybody say a lie, me I tell me say a lie.
Because what I notice is realize I can call some of the names. Some of the youth like it's like Maya them. I say Maya been working throughout
After
the
Dark
whole,
Entertainment and Tiny, big up yourself.
throughout the whole of the lockdown. Some of the youth them did them work through the whole of the lockdown. They
Yes.
did do a good job. So
Yes.
it's
Young
only
They
ones
are
them-
right.
still
young
doing
ones
it.
them just the same.
They are still
Lion
doing
squad them.
a
You
fantastic job.
have
And
a
the-
few of them.
And Dragon, me go beat you. No, me can't beat you.
Why you
because-
beat me now? You can't beat
What
me.
get beaten?
No, me don't go beat. Cause me see some of the flyer them when me realize.
Yes.
Me see the usual name them the pan.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
he's saying. Is to use a suspect.
Yeah.
Sus.
And me did not go beat
Fake.
cause Lizard forget a beating too. Cause Lizard, me a friend, I know you're gonna message me after this. Me no see you not do no live during. Although-
Them
I
started
think
late.
they catch up- they caught on very
Yeah.
late.
But,
Very
Lizard,
late.
Yeah.
but to be honest, let me make this clear. Lizard put it in works over
During
the
the
years,
years, yeah.
and he's graduated to a higher, as I said, in the top.
Echelons, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I think throughout the lockdown, we have to call a spade a spade.
Mm-hmm.
In lazy through the lockdown. I you know, me see you do a little thing what they me see like in start, me see in try. Me should not
He's
beat
been
that,
doing
but-
a
Like,
couple
I
of
see him on
Facebook lives. He's been doing
Yeah.
a couple of Facebook lives, not
Yeah.
only just the other day.
So
but
maybe
he's been
give
doing
memory chat
a
my
few.
statement. But me see other ones when I really do not anything at all.
And they're on the bill same way. That's what.
That
Dragon
is what
saying.
upsetting.
Like, it's unfair.
I see him
It's
thinking as
unfair.
because obviously, when the youth them coming at the game and putting them work, because some of the time, a lot of youth out there have whole heap of talent, whole heap of talent
Definitely.
in London.
So how
And sometimes them just need a bit of nurture.
Or just
Because
they
through
just
the
want the
lockdown,
right
so-
platform.
Sometimes through the lockdown, a man now go take up his phone and call her, link him and blah blah blah. For give him a heads up and say, yo, you do this wrong, you do that wrong.
so how
Because
can,
me see it happen many times. How can we bridge that gap to make
Yeah.
sure say
You-
we secure dancehall future
can
in
we
the
do
UK?
that?
You know the thing
Oh,
about
can
this
we do that?
question. The
Yeah.
thing about this
We-
question.
All right. So you see the one them were done go through the lockdown, right? Remember said this summer London are open.
And there is a
So the
party
one them
for
would do good?
everybody.
Yeah.
You intertwine
Intertwine
them with
everybody,
the seasoned
man.
veteran.
Yeah.
yeah,
The
give
big
them a
name
one
them out
bring
there.
it.
You see the big you put that one year and some of them to see how they maneuver themselves in some of them party. Because that's how you judge them.
Exactly.
See if you can maneuver yourself amongst the greats. Right?
Okay. That sounds sensible.
Yeah, you intertwine it that way and make us happen because remember, you know, you have 2 man start the race or 3 person and everybody will finish it, you know.
Exactly. That they just need the
They
platform
just
and
need
they
that
just
You have,
need the
opportunity.
you have to
support.
give them that opportunity because here we have to secure dancehall future in the UK.
I mean, I want nobody talk about. Oh, me no know. Oh, me no. I mean, you had an entire year
For
to
learn.
identify
And-
and to spot out
Me
who
nah-
it is that
me
you
nah,
think.
some of the elder them still know about the youth them live heart, you know.
Of course.
The youth them all do numbers.
May I
Yeah.
call name?
Yeah.
What name?
Youth them all do numbers.
DJ X1.
Yeah.
X1.
DJ X1 official. I think that's his Instagram name.
Yeah, but I wasn't going to that young, but them I do them thing. I was talking about the next generation up.
Yeah, but we also have to
should
think about
get
them
a
as
mix.
well.
Yeah, definitely.
BPS have been doing a fantastic
Yeah,
job
definitely.
throughout
Yeah.
the lockdown. They have that
Exactly.
support, but we just want to
But,
see them more.
reason
Hold
why
on,
I'm
no.
not-
We just want to see them more into
Yeah.
platforms and to shows because I mean they've taken the opportunity. Obviously, everybody learned
Yeah.
during the lockdown.
Yeah.
Things were corrected. Them do this, them do that. The people them need the opportunity.
Reason why I'm not going to go because you still have to remember we have to follow the law,
Yeah,
and the rules of the
understandable.
country say when you're a certain age you're not allowed to go to adult entertainment spaces.
Okay.
So I'm saying they are growing up the right way, but I'm talking about the generation
When was
next
allowed,
up.
we're allowed to be in the party.
The generation next up because obviously it's been only hear about this thing with them suggest that yesterday
What's that?
the Super League, right?
Yeah.
It'll come like that. So you have 6 big club in a London or in the city,
Yeah.
and them are make them own league because nobody else can come in or nobody else can go out. But in fairness, some of the big sounds in London is on the decline.
Yeah, that's true.
Some of them is on the decline. I don't care, say a lie, me I tell.
And then I go see the
And a
figure.
lot, and a lot of youth is coming up on the rise. So
that can replace most of them.
no,
Alright.
it's not about replace. It's not about replace. It's about doing the right thing. And when are you do him duty and serve him little time in a certain thing?
Yeah,
He just by just him get what you call it him little away, because if you a drive car every 20 year and you're not graduate and say remember get one minibus, that means you're workless.
Something alright. Alright, so let's move the conversation on, alright? So it's fastly approaching to
And big up
when-
Mix Master what was as well, you know.
And
Bad selector.
Jazz Ward as well is on.
Big
the
up
line,
Jazz
big
one, I
up
don't
himself.
know.
yeah, it's fastly approaching the time where the restrictions are being relaxed a bit more now. So come 17th of May, there's going to be more relaxation.
Yeah.
So you know what?
Are the 21st.
17th
oh,
of
this
May
one, oh,
and then
yes.
June
17th of May.
21st.
They're important to me.
And anyway, but what I'm trying to get at to, remember last year where we had this period where the headphone parties
We're taking
kicked
over.
in.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I kind of see the headphone party coming into play now.
Yeah.
Looks like he's gonna have a little
It's gonna
run
have a-
until the
yeah.
21st. What's your take on should it be allowed or is it safe? I should say, because
Yeah,
it's
what
not
now?
going to be legal, but obviously
Yeah, what now?
people are gonna do what they have to do. What do you
I'm
think?
calling on everybody to be sensible in anything you're doing, because remember say anything we do now is gonna affect you in the long run. Because remember when them say all restriction gonna be lift if everything went well. This is the key word, if everything go well. So if we start act stupid now and we start do a bag of
Foolishness.
things what we not to do, and you know the unruliness and the roadiness, that means that it's more time we are spending our house. So the more sensible we act, the quicker we go to do can do everything again. Because remember, them say from come the 21st of June,
It's irreversible.
it's irreversible if everything went well.
So
So if we go on with ourselves and mash it up, them say extend lockdown, and we in a lockdown till September. I don't mash up the summer.
God,
Me
please,
bex.
guys, no.
Me
don't do
bex.
so you're against the headphone parties then from happening.
For right now, I'm not against them, but I'm not with them.
that. Yeah, because he want to enjoy
You want to the
himself.
party.
At
Where you
the
just
same
know what I
time,
said.
we still,
Rasta, what's
we,
your take?
I share the same sentiments. We still want to make sure that when the 21st of June forward,
Yeah.
Boris can't tell we nothing.
But these politicians are way of changing.
Well, that's true. But then again, it
Well-
is in our power as the people of the country
Mm-hmm.
to say to him, say, you said XYZ on XY date,
Yeah.
that this is what is going
I'm
to
glad
happen.
say him never say it in a politician way. Him
Yeah,
say
he said it
clearly.
as
It's
clearly.
irreversible. You know, politician them
And it's
normally
in
say
black and white
something
as well.
where you say, boy, him say so, but him not say. Remember,
And then he
we say we can go, but we can't
Oh,
go.
Can't
Stay
go.
in.
But you,
All right.
Stay.
So, all right. So, him they make that clear. So we can go road, but we can't go road.
yes.
Yeah.
But in that same breath, we have to hope for the best, and we say we try to stay as much as to the measures as possible. And you know, if you do keep your party, be sensible. Nobody go all out. Nobody do this big.
Fire on Instagram says it makes no difference, sensible or not. If them want lock us up, they will.
I don't think. Well, I don't think because the vaccination is at a record pace.
Are you gonna get vaccinated?
Yeah,
Are you guys gonna get
The
vaccinated?
vaccine, yeah, it's at a record pace. But obviously, the vaccine don't stop it from contract the virus. It does stop it from get the serious illness.
But to be honest,
You get me?
Just for today
Yeah.
is the official death figures today. I know it's sad for anybody who lose their life. My condolences.
Love
So
one,
I'm
yeah.
I lie. Boris Johnson birthday in June.
not, I'm not trying to downplay it, but the figures for yesterday was 4 person.
That's what was
4.
reported.
4 person died for yesterday figure, the official figure.
That's good if it's
It
4.
is as I say, it's good, but I don't really want to don't poor person
Yeah.
that died.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is that for any other normal sickness, sickle cell or whatever, 4 count is acceptable. So I know I don't really want to say him to jump and just free up the country now, but it just feels that way.
A point was just made on Instagram. Little Dainty, big up yourself. She just made a point that Boris Johnson's birthday is in June. His birthday is the 19th of June.
So what about that?
He
The man
wa-
smart.
he-
Free up the things him
Free
can
up
go.
the things Sam can go party.
You know?
Anyway, big up Boris. Big up
Man
yourself.
wants to go party for his birthday. Is he 50? I'm joking.
Of course. 50, no,
I'm
it's,
joking. I'm
it's
joking.
15 minutes coming up to the hour 10,
Well, I
live
don't know about that much, but
here this
anyway,
evening. And
me see it's a lot of party for young people. Remember, this is London. We see happen last year. It don't matter if 4 or 5 party keep in the same night. All event can be filled.
Yeah.
We know we have the capacity of people to fill all events in London.
And people now go long time.
Because
So
people want to come out to party. And the next thing too, promoters may appeal to you, please. If you have a party, where you say start 4 o'clock and it ends 12, keep to the schedule. Start at 4. Don't make when we come to your party 8:30, you know start. You just put out one little tent.
Yeah.
Nobody would have something there. You know look good.
if you have nobody, they'll start the party,
Start the party. Make the music play, because people will come.
At the beginning of lockdown, people were coming out at 12
early.
o'clock.
Until is the promoter them spoil it?
Is
the promoter them spoil it?
Yeah. Because
How did the promoter spoil
because them start late.
late.
Okay.
You remember the party on Leverage Road?
Yeah, what? My party from all this time. You go and generate on a gas, and then understand the gas there before you come.
Oh yeah, that's true. We've driven around.
And you did a 2 hour and generating on a gas for 2 hours. You're in there now. Who's power there in London? Every gas station they're 5 minutes away from each other.
Exactly.
And another thing that the promoters them start late, and we want to know say when road open up, patrons don't go back into the bad habit of reaching a party at 3 when it finish at 4.
Exactly. That not gonna stop. Good God with you. God go with you.
No, when we're going on building, that's a different thing because obviously
Boy,
it's a part
brother, me can't get used to it.
Yeah, it's hard to get used to. It's a part of the dancehall tradition, like people going to sleep and wake up for God dance X time.
Come in, take a picture. 10
now
minutes.
as summer, them just free way up. You know, like a man we just come from prison. I'm gonna attack the party them from early and have some nice, clean fun.
Mix a game on Instagram.
Mix
Go to your bed.
You can't say
No, wait till 11 o'clock. But stop getting yourself trouble, sir.
Anyway, I know. I'm trouble bars because it might affect us. Anyway, it's 12 minutes to the hour 10. You know, this evening we're going to be having a live guest here in studio. She's
gonna be online.
Online,
Yeah.
And she'll go on with herself, you know.
Yeah,
Miss
same
Bandit,
way so.
the shy,
Bad to bad.
fierce one. Yeah, she's gonna be here with us live. All right. So, and that's the current issues for now. Cause we just feel like we want to drop some songs before. She forward that we start reason, though.